Hey, how's everyone doing today? We recently bought a collection of Magic the Gathering cards off of eBay. Part of that collection was some sealed booster packs and collector boosters. So I'm going to open those up in this video. And also included was a Foundations bundle, which I'll open in a separate video. These are all Kaldheim draft boosters. I'm going to open these first, but also there are two Bloomborough collectors, Outlaws of Thunder Junction. There's two of those. One Murders at Karlov Manor and one Duskmorn. So we'll go in that order for the collectors, but we'll get the Kaldheim out of the way first. Older set. Gosh, I think this came out in 2021 or 22. Got your snow-covered lands. Burning Rune Demon. And we'll skip the rest. We'll just take a look at the rares. See if we can't pull something nice foil. Rally the Ranks. That's the rare out of there. Actually, let's separate the rares from the uncommons and commons. You have Tybalt, or Valky. I guess that's Tybalt. On the pack art on this one. The Bears of Litjara. Enchantment Saga. I don't think you can get double rares out of the draft boosters. The Blood Sky Massacre. We did get a lot of good cards out of the collection, though. We did a Whatnot stream last week. I think I ended up doing 375 orders, so it was pretty busy. It was like a streamed from 6 p.m. Saturday evening to 2 a.m. Sunday morning. So yeah, it was a very successful stream. And I'll be streaming again this Saturday, the 21st of December. Hopefully I'll upload this video before that so I can include a link to the stream. If I don't, then there will not be a link included. But hopefully I will get it done. Calamity Bearer. One more pack. Then we get to the good stuff. Nice treasure token. Search for Glory. All right, so nothing super big out of those. Put those over there. Now we'll get to the collectors. So Murders at Karlov Manor. This one does not. Oh, yes, it does. There it is right there. Although they don't really work that well. Over here in the trash pile, Thopter token, Outrageous Robbery, Vanifar Evolved Enigma, Innocuous Researcher, Archdruid's Charm, Lush Portico, and then these should all be commons and uncommons. Yep. All right, so that was the one. Murders at Karlov Manor. Now we have Outlaws of Thunder Junction. Don't see the little notch to pull, so we'll have to do it the regular way here. All right, Akul, the Unrepentant. Path to Exile, Heartless Conscription. Nice artwork on that. Inspiring Vantage. Assimilation Aegis. Hindering Light. That's a cool looking foil. Ride Down. Here's a sweet looking swamp. And then the rest. All right, one more of those. What is catching here? There we go. Villainous Wealth. Back to back. Lock and Load. Legion Extruder. Outcaster Trailblazer. Heartless Pillage. Terminal Agony. Nice planes. And then the rest of our foils. All right, cool. Bloomborough. Maybe I can get lucky and pull one of the super rare metallic looking foil treatment cards. It's only 2 packs, so the odds are not in my favor. Nice foil fish token. Whiskervale Forerunner. Phineas Ace Archer. Cruel Claws Heist. Jacked Rabbit. Valley Flamecaller. Our Island. And then the rest of our cards. Let's show them to you real quick. All right, one more Bloomborough. And then one Duskmourn. Snail, Kidnap, Fable Passage, Mockingbird, Hazel's Brewmaster, Glarb, Calamity's Augur. So now we didn't get anything special out of those. And the last pack. Let's see if we can pull a nice Valgamoth. Copy. Okay. Here are our commons and uncommons. And it'll bring us up to the land. Now everything should be rare. Overlord of Mistmoors. Renmaw Creaking Nest. Dissection Tools. Toby. Beastie Befriender. Okay, I mean, it is cool looking. I thought for a second it might be Valgavoth, but Overlord of the Boiler Bilges. That is a cool looking card. Full art, or borderless art. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you don't mind on the way out hitting the like button for the video, I would appreciate it. Thank you.